The maid of a rich man taught me. Just throw salt in the washing powder and see what happens right away. You will be impressed by the use of this mixture for cleaning your bathroom. To start today's tip, in a container I will add a tablespoon of laundry soap. Next, I will also add a tablespoon of salt, these being the two main items. For the preparation of this mixture, ideally mix the two ingredients well. Next, we will also use 100 milliliters of vinegar, and ideally mix well whenever you add a new ingredient. Vinegar is essential for the effectiveness of this mixture. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Cynthia Maloma from South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Next, I will also add alcohol, being one of the most important items for its bactericidal effect. The amount of alcohol used is 3 tablespoons. Now we will mix one last time. And with this, we already have our mixture ready for use. To facilitate the application of the product, I will fully put the mixture in a spray bottle, so controlling the amount of use and avoiding waste. This container I'm using has a capacity of 500 milliliters, being enough for use in your bathroom for at least a month. This mixture yields a lot. And with a small amount of ingredients, to avoid waste and facilitate, I will also use a funnel to put all the mixture in the spray bottle. I'm sure you will be impressed by the use of this tip, being totally effective for cleaning, so prepare will easily. Notice that it is totally different from all products sold in the markets. For use, I will apply the product directly to the toilet and then use a brush to remove all dirt and stains. This tip is ideal for your daily use. You can also use this mixture to clean other items in your bathroom, such as the sinks and even the bath area. For use on the sinks, we only apply the product directly, and then with a sponge, I can do the cleaning easily. It is quick and easy. After applying the product, you just need to remove the excess with water, and so we already have the desired cleaning. Tell me later if you got the desired result with the use of this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.